Hey guys, this is Miner Joe and I'm gonna try to show you how to mine 0x Bitcoin using multiple GPUs. Here's a quick look of my mining rig. I got 4 GPUs here. So I'm assuming you've already set up your miner and you've already mined with a single GPU. If not, I encourage you to try that first before jumping into multiple GPUs. On the 0xbitcoin.org website, there is a good video and detailed video by Infernal Toast where he talks about how to set up the miner on its own. If you haven't done that, just pause this video and then go and watch this video that Infernal Toast created, and it'll set you up. Okay, now that you've watched the video from Infernal Toast, hopefully you can run your own miner on a single GPU. Go and talk about how to set up a batch file to run the miner. And here's one example of that batch file. So here is the start command, and the name that you put here is whatever you want it to be called. It's just a label of the command window, so you can identify it once it's running, and the rest is generic. This CUDA visible devices actually matters. So if you put 3 here, that means it's your device number 3 or number 4 on your rig. So it starts from 0, so 3 is actually the 4th GPU. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is saying that I want to run that video card number 4, and the rest is, you can just copy paste it. You're mining CUDA, which is nvidia based cards, and the name of your miner. So once you have that, you can just double click that file and it'll run it for you. Boom, auto magically. So that's running 1 GPU at a time. So if you have multiple GPUs, one way to do it is to create multiple batch files, so you can run them one by one. So for example, I want to run 2 GPUs. I just create another one for my other device, and I would name it like so: GPU 0, 1080, and this is my device 0. So I run this and it'll run my GPU, my 1080 GPU. There. Just double clicked it and it'll run. And I'll run the other one. Now I have 2 GPUs running. That's 2 GPUs running. So if you have 10 of them, you just create 10 batch files. So there's a better way of doing it by putting that all in one batch file. I'm gonna show that to you right here. So here is a batch file where I combined all the other GPUs in one file. Copy pasting that line from your solo batch file and putting it here. So if you have 10 of them, you'll just have 10 of these lines here. I only have 4, so let's put 4 here. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. It doesn't matter what order you put it, it's fine. You can name them whatever I want. You name it whatever here I want. Right? Save that. It'll open up 4 windows, command windows for you automatically, so you don't have to click it one by one. Double click it. See that? Boom, boom, boom. It ran 4 miners for me. It's all gonna run at the same time. There. See that 1070 Ti, the I want miner, and then here, and then here's whatever. It doesn't matter. Those are just labels. That's all you need to run multiple GPUs. If you have 10 GPUs, 12 GPUs, just put them all in one batch file, and you can run it all at the same time. And that's it. Again, this is Miner Joe, and I hope this was helpful for you. There's also another way to do it through the nvidia control panel. I'm gonna try to make another video for that one. And again, this is Miner Joe. Good night and good luck. Happy mining.